Krakow's west side, there's several great streets that lead from Old Town that are well worth exploring. So today I'm on Karmelicka Street. I happen to be at the end of it, so I thought I'd just do a quick walk down the street and give you a quick look at some of the things that you'll find here. Most people from Old Town either go to Old Town or they go east to Kazimierz, and that's all you ever see, Old Town or Kazimierz. But the west side has some great treasures. As you saw, you got Pizzeria Vicente. I just had a passport photo taken here because I'm about to make a trip where I need a visa. Tucked away in this little courtyard. Fit cake. Karmelicka. Not sure what a fit cake is. Each of these streets runs to Plenty, so you can walk them really easily from Old Town. They're well worth an explore, all of them. Three or four of them. Krupnica will be another one I will show you. Drink the dream, sip the meow. Dream tea, bubble tea. Cuban massage. Look at that. No idea what a Cuban massage is. Maybe they give you a pork sandwich while you're getting massaged. Or a cigar. Sensai Wok. Don't have that many Asian places. This is one of them. This is like a vegan and vegetarian place, I think. Pavlak Bakery. These little bakeries, some of the more traditional ones, always worth checking out. Viral kebab and crispy fries. Look at it, there's so many things. There, look over there. Place that is keenly advertising breakfasts. Can't quite make the name of it out. Looks okay. Cinnalove. If you're craving a cinnamon bun, we got you covered. Should have thought this out a little bit better with all the trams. Now look at this. This is an old school place. Avitex, this is a chain bakery. You'll find them all over the place. They're okay, but a chain. I prefer the more original one-offs. Another kebab place. We got a lot of kebab places on this street. But just look at, on a nice sunny day like this, it's so nice just to stroll down. Of course, all of these other streets that are connected are also worth a look. An escape room on this one. Escape room, scary hostel. I hope that's an escape room and it's not actually the hostel saying escape the room. Another bakery and another chain. Any locals on here can tell us which are their favorite ones. This one is Steskal. Definitely well covered. Definitely well covered for bakeries. Little grocery shop. On the other side we got Quadrans Bistro. See, just on one street I could probably go to a dozen places to check them out. Eagle Shisha Bar. Get yourself a washing machine. Not sure you get that in your Ryanair luggage. That has a look of a hotel. Look at this. Restaurants, yeah. Pivnitsa Palace. That looks a proper old school place. That's the sort of place I like to check out. I love the old school places, so if anybody's been to that one, let me know. Let me know what you think. Hotel Maximilian. Well, I know many people have commented about Maximilian, usually comment favorably. So I think a lot of people have stayed on this street and have probably tried a lot of these places. So please comment about how you found it to be. Cosmic Games. Again, another one we see lots of positive comments about. And this one, Veganic. Look at this. Always we're getting questions about vegan, vegetarian. Places to recommend. This one comes up a lot, Veganic. So here it is on Karmelicka. And look, really nice to sit outside here, if you don't mind the trams. This place always makes me laugh. It's a jeweler's. But if you look quickly, it kind of looks like Walmart. I'm like, wow, Krakow's got a Walmart. But no, it's not Walmart. Jewelry shop. Masala Madness. Indian street food. Great choice of Indian restaurants in Krakow. Well, this is a little twist on it with it being street food and a takeout place. They do rolls. Great lunchtime idea, no? And then, being Krakow, we are blessed with so much green space. So in the middle of one of our busiest streets, you can just turn off here and then you got this most serene park. Garden. Krakow. A favorite hangout of the pigeons. Even the pigeons like to chill in Krakow. Another bakery. Gosh, I could do a video just on the bakeries alone. Alibaba, another kebab place. I should really keep count of the number of kebab places and bakeries. The iconic bakery. So all of the chains are on the street. Look at the church. Even the churches down the regular streets are all gorgeous. This seems to be one of the most popular things of the moment in Krakow, ramen. Ramen people. Doing good business. Early afternoon. Emigrant coffee. So just a ton of coffee shops, bakeries, Asian restaurants. I mean, lots and lots. And some good ones. Spice, spice, another kebab shop. Wow, I never realized we had so many kebab shops on one street. You know, if you're a Cafe Nero fan, let's take a quick peek in, it's quiet. Nina and I have definitely used this one. This one is hugely popular. Mamma Mia Italian. Never been here, but this always gets good reviews. That is definitely on the list to do. Literally just 10 minutes walk from Main Square. Mamma Mia. Often we get asked about good Italians. That's one of them. Carmel, I've posted in our groups, a little owner-operated accessory shop, and they make a lot of their stuff. They've posted in our group sometimes. We're cool with that, no problem. On the other side, if you want to know, Dom Zuber, but what it is, it's an unlimited ribs place. Look at that, the big ribs. I give it a bit of a giveaway. Ribs House in English. And they do, I think it's 99 zloty for unlimited ribs. Sometimes they have specials, can be even cheaper. Ribs with a couple of sides. Tried them. I'm going to say the ribs are kind of small, but you can have as many as you want. So they're not my favorite ribs in town, but you can eat, you know, unlimited amount. So 99 zloty. Cat Cafe. Another one. We've got a couple of cat cafes, a rabbit cafe. This is another old Polish one, Bar Smack. And look, proper old style place. We need to check that out. We need to check that one out sometime. This is the thing, I mean, well, we've done so many restaurants in Krakow. We will never, ever, ever, I think there's 2,500. So we will never cover them all. So we're always happy when you leave your reviews on Krakow Best Travel Tips alongside ours. And you've told us about great places. Now, Dobre Pretzel, the pretzel place. Whenever I post pictures of these pretzels, they get a big response. The Bounty one looks good, and I've had the Dubai one. Nina is a big fan. But then this is a great one because the donut shop is right next door. Pączki, Polish donuts. So, if you've got a sweet tooth, your choice of the sweet pretzels or the donuts. I will stand back a bit, show you the name. These places. Dobre Pretzel, Dobra Pączkania. And we've made it to the end of the street. Get your obrożanek, and you come out on Theatre Bagatella. Theatre Bagatella, one of the famous Krakow theatres. Tram stop right here, and over there's the road, that's Planty Park, and literally 2 or 3 minutes just to Old Town once you cross the street. But what I'm saying about great streets on the west side, Theatre Bagatella, one side you've got Karmelicka, on this side you've got Krupnica. I will do a video of this one. This are some of our favorite places. This is also street we walk home, so we often tend to call in on places. But we should point out while we're here, right on the corner a beer place that you don't want to miss. CK Brovar. CK Brovar. Let me stand back. This is the place that does. It's in a cellar bar. So you go downstairs. But it does the beer serves the beer in 3 litre or 5 litre towers, and you pour the beer at your own table. Their own production craft beer, pub food, and they do special offers Monday to Friday, often really good ones. But people love the beer towers. So there you go, Karmelicka. Definitely worth checking out.